As Winter Storm Jimenez starts to move away from the northeast today, a new winter storm, named Kassandra, is beginning its cross-country trip. Widespread heavy snowfall is likely from the southwest through the southern plains, and into the Ohio Valley and northeast. An extremely dangerous tornado outbreak is also looking likely from Texas to the Florida Panhandle, with weather models showing extremely high wind shear, rich dew points, especially close to the immediate coast, along with large and favorably curved hotographs. We have a lot to talk about in this video, so let's get straight into it. First off, we are looking at the timing of Winter Storm Kassandra based on the HRRR model. Snowfall will work its way through parts of Arizona and New Mexico on Monday and Monday night. Snow will spread into the Texas Panhandle by late on Monday night, with the snow becoming increasingly widespread by Tuesday morning. The snowfall will spread into northern Texas, Oklahoma, and southern Kansas throughout the day, and then reaching Arkansas and Missouri on Tuesday evening. Snow will then spread into the Ohio Valley on Tuesday night into Wednesday, reaching the interior northeast by Wednesday morning. Snowfall will move across the Great Lakes and northeast through the day on Wednesday, with most of the snow becoming confined to New England on Thursday. The system should move out by Thursday evening. Some snow showers will be possible on the backside as cold air filters in behind the storm, so additional light accumulations are possible in some areas in the interior northeast and as far south as Tennessee and Kentucky. So how much snow are we expecting? Firstly, this is what you can expect in the south-central United States. A widespread 1 to 5 inches is likely in the gray and blue shades, with isolated higher totals possible in the purple areas. Much heavier snow is being forecasted for northwestern Arkansas into southern Missouri, with as much as 10 to 12 inches possible in the bright pink. The swath of heavy snow will continue into the Great Lakes region, with close to a foot of snow possible in central Indiana. We are also expecting heavy snow in the northeastern United States, with snow possible even as far south as New York City and Philadelphia. This storm will not be very favorable for snow along the I-95 corridor, so any snow in those areas will likely result in little to no accumulation. The heaviest snow is currently being forecasted from central Pennsylvania into Maine. One of the most significant threats with this winter storm is going to be the tornado outbreak potential across the South tomorrow. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a large area from southeast Texas into southern Alabama under a risk of severe weather, with the highest threat area from the central Texas coast to the western Florida Panhandle. The most significant risk tomorrow will be tornadoes, some of which being strong to violent. Several tornadoes are expected within the green, brown, and especially the yellow areas, with the strong tornado risk focusing from southeastern Louisiana into the Florida Panhandle, with a separate 10% risk area between Houston and Corpus Christi, Texas. Widespread damaging wind gusts are also likely, but especially when the storms develop into a more organized squall line, which is forecasted to occur farther towards the east, where we see the red 30% risk area. Even though the hail risk is lower than the other severe weather threats, some isolated occurrences of large hail may occur from Texas to the Florida Panhandle, with the highest risk of hail in southeast Texas. Isolated to scattered severe storms will continue into Wednesday, within this marginal risk area. It's possible that this will be upgraded to a slight risk eventually, but regardless of a categorical upgrade, damaging winds, hail, and isolated tornadoes may continue to be threats in this area. And that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this weather forecast video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel with the notification bell on, so you never miss out when new updates are released.